Good afternoon, this is Kurt Boyd with Russ Lyons Sotheby's, Scottsdale, Arizona. We're at 2850 East Cortez Street in Phoenix, 85028. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2235 on the square footage, 2-car garage with a pool. Renovated, looks really nice, and I just wanted to quickly do a FaceTime tour through the house so you could take a look at it. And if you have any friends, family, co-workers that want to take a look, give me a call, 480-203-3704. I'd be happy to bring you through. Let's go inside and take a look. Built in 1970 and updated, of course, since then. Okay, leads right into the living center. It's a split concept with an Arizona room. Beautiful natural light. We'll hit the Arizona room and outside last. Just want to go through the dining room. RV gate on this side of the house. So down here we've got a full bath. Guest bedroom. Another guest bedroom. And another guest bedroom. Nice closet organizers. Beautiful tiled bathrooms. This leads to the garage. We've got flex space here, primary. Walk-in closet. Another bathroom. This goes into the laundry room. And we'll go ahead and go outside at this point, the Arizona room, and show you the pool. Big diving pool, nice. Little safety fence, younger kids. Very deep. Not sure on the depth on this. It's got to be at least 10 or 12 feet. But it's gorgeous and a beautiful day to show it off. So again, we're at 2850 East Cortez Street in Phoenix, 85028, asking $780. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2235 on the square footage, and no HOA. If you'd like any more information or you want to come see it for yourself, it would be my honor to take you through it. This is Kurt with Russ Lyons Sotheby's, Camelback. Tower office, and I'm at 480-203-3704, and my flagship website is kurtmboyd.com. Thank you so much, and I do hope to help you shortly. Thanks for tuning in.